So here's a video from ccn.com. They tend to cover a lot of crypto stuff. Pretty decent news outlet here. Institutional investors swap Bitcoin futures for physical Bitcoin in Wall Street first. What's this? What about Doug Casey? 150 countries have gotten together and they're going to ban cryptos. It's going to be terrible. Doug Casey, I'm not letting that ride. I saw that little promotional video. I watched it and I downloaded it. Got the whole video. Don't you dare FUD us crypto people. Don't you FUD us crypto people. No. Bitcoin took a significant step toward becoming a mainstream financial instrument this week as two institutional investors completed the first ever exchange for physical EFP transaction involving Bitcoin futures. The CME EFP Bitcoin transaction, facilitated by ED&F Man Capital Markets, a registered futures commission merchant, and ItBit, an institutional grade cryptocurrency exchange, saw two institutional traders swap a position in CME's Bitcoin futures market for an equivalent amount of the quote-unquote physical asset itself. Wall Street traders use EFPs to hedge their futures positions and diversify their exposure to specific assets. They may also provide firms with leverage, capital, tax, and liquidity benefits. EFP transactions are negotiated off-exchange, often with the assistance of a broker, and then reported to the exchange for settlement. While common in commodities trading, ItBit and EDF and Man said that this transaction marked the first time that an EFP has been reported to a U.S. futures exchange where the underlying asset was a cryptocurrency. Again, a little bit more to that article. I'll share the link with you. First time, huh? The word institutional was in there, wasn't it? An investor was in there, wasn't it? First time this ever happened. First time a Wall Street type of a thing was involved. And I'm over here telling you, almost day after day, guys, best news we've ever heard in our lives in crypto this year, and especially in last couple of months. Why is the price still going sideways? Oh man, it's even down today, Joe. Because just because the good news happened doesn't mean a whole bunch of new investors decided to fly into Bitcoin or crypto. It's still too new and it's still too hard for most people. Again, wait till the ETF comes. All you got to do is click a couple mouse buttons on your trading account. Oh, I own it. No private key. Don't need a wallet. No, I got my TD Ameritrade account or my E-Trade account. Potentially. Yeah, I own some Bitcoin. You do? Can you send it to me? Well, not really. It's through my trading account at, such and such, whatever. E-Trade, whatever. But I can buy and sell it. And if I sell it, I will get the cash. I can then take the cash and actually go buy the real thing that I can actually move, in other words, and then send it to somebody or whatever. And the other thing, if the ETF comes, what's to stop these people from buying a bunch of Bitcoin, faking it, Well, because, again, everybody has to have a wallet to store the Bitcoin. And you're going to have to prove you got that Bitcoin in a wallet that you control if you just sold some to some clients, right? Some ETFs. So I'm really not concerned about that, like some people might be. So anyways, there's some more good news. That's it. Let's see what's crypto going to do for us today, Wednesday. Is it going to pump even harder? Let's go. Are the 4 days in July fixing to happen? It was Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Don't know. Maybe it was just 4 random days in July. That was. Talking about Cliff High's 4 days in July thing. So anyway, that's it for now. Take care.